In this lesson, we are going to look at escape characters for strings. Escape characters allow you to represent characters that cannot be easily typed or require special handling within a string. As we're going to see, all escape characters begin with a backslash. Let's head over to PyScripter. First of all, let's take a look at what happens when we try to print a backslash. Print backslash, hit enter, and we get an error, a syntax error. When we use a backslash in Python, it assumes that there's going to be another character following that backslash that formed an escape character. The backslash basically says that the next character is a special character. The backslash itself is a special character. So let's print our backslash once more, and we'll add in a second backslash. The first backslash is saying that the next character is a special character. Now look, when we print this to screen, we get our backslash printed. We know that strings can be defined with single quotes or double quotes. What if I was using double quotes and wanted to insert double quotes within that string? Well, let's try it. Print our double quotes. I am using double quotes around the word hello. Now we can see that hello has turned white. This is indicating that our Python interpreter thinks that it is a variable. We have our opening double quote and our ending double quote is just before hello. So this here is an acceptable string. And so is the part after hello. But it is assuming that hello is a variable. If I try to run that line of code, we get a syntax error. Now let's place a backslash in front of the two double quotes that surround hello. And we'll hit enter, and we can see that this prints just fine. So we were able to inject double quotes inside our double quotes using escape characters. And of course we can do the same for single quotes. Print inside single quotes. We can see we're getting the same issue as we did in the previous example. If I hit enter, we're expecting a syntax error. Yet if we place our backslashes in front of the single quotes that surround our single quotes text and hit enter, it prints just fine. Next up is the new line escape character, and this is a backslash followed by an N. Let's print. This is on the first line. I'm then going to put a backslash and N, and I'll keep typing, but this is on the second. I'll hit enter, and we can see we get our string split across two lines. The backslash T represents a tab. Print. We'll use our double quotes, backslash T. This is a tabbed sentence. Hit enter, and we get the tab. You can see the tab here. It is 4 spaces. And last one, we will use Unicode and we'll do something fun. Let's print. This course makes me, and I'll put a backslash and a capital U, 0001 F604. Oh, I wonder what that represents. We'll put a comma. I will use it to progress my GIS skills. We'll put in another backslash and a capital U, and this time I'll go 0001 F30D. I'll finish off with final draft mapping and hit enter, and you can see we get a laughy smiley face and a globe of the world. In this video we got introduced to some escape characters. We saw that the backslash character is an escape character and is also used to escape a backslash itself. We can use escape characters to add double quotes or single quotes to our strings, depending on whether we've used single quotes or double quotes to wrap around our strings. We have a new line escape character. We saw the tab escape character, and we had a little fun with the emojis with the Unicode escape character.